Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. This is Alicia's kitchen, and in today's video I'll be making my curry chicken and white rice with corn. On the side we have lettuce, tomato and avocado. In Jamaica we say pear. Yeah, pear. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and thank you guys once more for stopping by. So guys, I'm starting off with a whole chicken. I already cut off the two legs because I thought the video was already rolling, but unfortunately it wasn't. Yeah, so guys, I'll talk to you guys after I finish cutting up this chicken. Now guys, I'm cutting my chicken in the desired size that I want. I mean, if you guys like your chicken whole like that, I mean, that's okay, but for me, I like to cut my chicken up. So now guys, I'm back in the sink and I'm washing my chicken with vinegar. I mean, you guys can use vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you guys have. And I'm washing my chicken just to cut the rawness from the chicken. Then I'll just rinse that like once more with cold running water. Now guys, we're heading over to the cutting board, and now I'm peeling some carrots. I'll be using carrots for my curry chicken. Carrots, bell pepper, some scallion, chopped garlic, red onion, and a large Irish potato. So guys, to season my curry chicken, I'm using the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, some salt, and the most important thing, the actual curry. Now guys, I'll be rubbing that in and just making sure that everything is well coated. Now guys, I'm wrapping this with a saran wrap, and I'll be putting that in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to 1 hour so that the curry can, marinate in that chicken. And now guys, in a medium-sized Dutch pot, yes, Dutch pot, Dutch pan, yes, Dutchy. Yes, I'm adding my canola oil, and I'm gonna let that sit for about until it looks like this, like real hot, guys. Like it has to be very hot because you want your curry to burn. I don't like putting my curry in pots, like I don't like that, so I rather this method. So guys, yeah, just continue stirring that curry, allowing it to cook and burn, and also this prevents it from sticking to the pot. And now for my rice, I'm using basmati, and I'm washing my rice. Make sure you guys wash your rice, like guys, wash your rice, okay? So guys, I'm adding a tablespoon of salt to my rice because nobody likes fresh rice, honey. Like nobody wants fresh rice, so we're adding our salt. I'll also be adding my corn, some butter, and scallion just to season it. I don't like plain white rice, so I'm adding corn. Now guys, on medium high heat, I'm cooking my rice for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the water has been reduced. After it's been reduced, you're just gonna turn your rice and you're gonna lower your heat to a lower temperature, the lowest you actually can go, and you're gonna let that steam for another 15 to 16 minutes. Now guys, look how rich this is. It's so rich and it was so delicious, guys. It was amazing. Now we're gonna allow our chicken and our veg to cook because remember we add Irish potato to that, so we're gonna let it cook until it's pretty tender. Okay, and I'm not sure if I'm the only one that adds ketchup to my curry chicken. I add a little bit of ketchup, about a teaspoon of ketchup, and guys, it's a game changer. I'm not lying, it tastes amazing with it. You guys have to try it. I'm not sure if I'm the only one that does it, but it's pretty good. Guys, look at this plate. Look at this award-winning plate. Okay, enough of that. Anyways guys, I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and when I tell you guys I have amazing videos coming, great videos, so hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you guys so much for stopping by once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.